Not getting views on YouTube? Use these simple keyword tools to make your channel more visible. So the first tool that we will be using for YouTube keyword research is YouTube itself. Now remember that after Google, YouTube is the second largest search engine out there. And in order to be visible on YouTube, you need to use certain keywords in your videos. And these are the keywords that your viewers are searching for. So let's see how exactly we can do this. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to come to the search bar out here on YouTube, and what we are going to do is we are going to make use of something which is known as YouTube auto suggest. Let's say that you want to make a video on cooking. So let's type that. So as soon as you type cooking, YouTube is going to show you a list of popular keywords that people are already searching for related to cooking. So let's click on one. Let's click on this one, cooking in nature. So if you are a beginner in blogging, you need to understand the difference between long and short tail keywords. So short keywords are all the keywords that are 2 or 3 words long. So if you see, cooking in nature is a short keyword, and at the same time short keywords are highly competitive and they're difficult to rank. So why I say that is because if you see the channels that have ranked for this keyword, cooking in nature, these channels have millions of subscribers and the views also run in millions. So if you try to use this keyword in your video, chances are that your video is not going to be visible because the competition is very high for such kind of a keyword. On the other hand, what you can do is you can use a long tail keyword. Now long tail keywords are more than 3 words, and it'll be easier for you to rank for such kind of a keyword. Now let's see how exactly can you find a long tail keyword. Now let's say your topic is still cooking. So what we are going to do is we are going to come here again on the search tab, and we are going to type in some generic terms that people mostly use on YouTube. So let's take this, the first one, how to cook a whole chicken in a slow cooker. Now this will be a long tail keyword because it has more than 2 or 3 words in it. So let's click on this one. Yep. So if you see, what happened is that we are getting video ideas that have moderate to high views, but definitely they are so much more less than the previous keyword that we used that was showing us videos with millions of views. So what this means is that if you were to make a cooking video on how to cook a chicken in a slow cooker, chances are that you are also going to rank so much more easily than when you make a video on cooking in nature. That's because this particular video has low competition and a decent search volume. Now let's look at some other fun ways that we can do keyword research on YouTube. Let's say that cooking a whole chicken in a slow cooker is really tiring for me and I really don't want to do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the alphabet game to get some more ideas. So I will keep how to cook, and then I'm going to randomly type in any alphabet, let's say C, and I'm going to go for the first one because the first one is showing me the longest keyword. So I'll just click on this one, how to cook coconut rice with coconut milk. Now if you see, this is a decent keyword, the search volume is also moderate and the competition for this keyword is also medium. And if you see here, then the views that this kind of a keyword has received is also pretty okay, pretty moderate, but let's see if we can better this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to the search tab out here and I'm going to type in another alphabet, let's say F this time. Okay, so I'll go with the first option out here which says how to cook frozen shrimp. Okay, now if you see, then this keyword is also pretty moderate, like it's decent, but let's see if we can better this again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to type in any word out here. So let's say how to cook frozen shrimp in. Okay, let's go with the first option out here. Okay, so if you see, this is an amazing keyword to go for. Why? Because the competition is extremely low for this keyword and the search volume is also pretty decent. And the best thing is that even very small channels with 15,000 subscribers and 18,000 subscribers have received lots and lots of views for this topic. So this is one way that you can play this little alphabet game to find out keyword ideas which have high volume but low competition. So now let's look at another way. So in the second way, I'm going to be using the space bar a lot. So let's just first type in any keyword, let's say chicken salad. And once I have this short keyword here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give a space out here, and I'm going to go with the first option here, which says chicken salad dressing recipe. So again, if we see that chicken salad dressing recipe might not be a great keyword because the competition is kind of high and the volume is also moderate. So all I'm going to do is, to get more ideas, is come here right after recipe and give a space again, and then I'm going to get a bunch of other ideas. By default, I'll just go with the longest one here, which says Applebee's chicken salad dressing recipe, and I'm going to click on that. So awesome, as you can see here, we got a keyword which has a moderate volume but very very low competition. And again, if you see, quite a few people are searching for this, but there are not many videos on this, so you know what to do. So these were some of the simplest and the easiest ways that you could use YouTube auto suggest to look for keyword ideas that have low competition and high volume. And if you start making videos on these keywords, chances are that you're going to get your views really fast and you're going to grow on YouTube really fast as well. So now let's look at some free tools that you can use to get more keyword ideas for YouTube. So the first tool that I will be using, or I am using here at the moment, is something called vidIQ. So what you need to do is you need to go to the vidIQ site. Now this is a completely free tool, so you if you're a beginner in on YouTube, then it's great for you because you can use this tool and all the analytics that it shows for free. So what you need to do is you need to sign up with your Google account or with your email address, and once you have signed up with them, what you need to do is you need to click here on extension, and then what you need to do is you need to install the Google Chrome extension for vidIQ. I already have mine installed out here. So once you install it, instantly what's going to happen is every time you search for a keyword, it's going to show you all the analytics, all the relevant analytics related to that keyword. So let's analyze one. Let's go with this one, Applebee's Oriental salad recipe. So the first thing that vidIQ shows me is the overall score of this keyword. So as you can see, this keyword is extremely low competition, which means that there are not many videos on this keyword, but at the same time quite a decent amount of people are searching for this keyword. So this gives me a great idea that this is a keyword that I can completely go for, because if there are fewer videos on this topic but a lot of people are searching for this keyword, this only means that chances of me becoming visible on YouTube are so much more higher. Then always try to aim for a score which is between 50 to 100. Anything less than a 50 is a score that you should usually try to avoid. Then apart from that, I also get some other amazing stats out here about what are some of the highest views that this keyword got, and as well as some of the top channels that have created videos on this search term. And you also get ideas for related opportunities, so always check these related terms as well. And one more thing which I like to do is enable the inline keyword out here. So the minute I enable the inline keyword out here, vidIQ also shows me all the tags and all the keywords that people have used for these videos. So what I do is I go to my video and include these tags in my video description box, in my tag section, and in my title section as well. Remember that at the end of the day, YouTube is just like Google. It is a search engine, and the more keywords and the more targeted keywords and phrases that you use, the more easier it will be for YouTube to match you with the right kind of viewers. So use as many tags and use as many keywords as possible. So this is an easy way to get your tags, because if these channels have ranked using these tags, then so can you. Another thing that I usually do is I go to Google search, and what I do is I type the keyword that I want to use, and then I go to videos, and then I search for the YouTube videos that have ranked on Google search. So let's say this one, the first one, Applebee's Oriental Chicken Salad. So I don't know what this video has done, but all I know is that Google is also showing this video to me if I type Applebee's chicken salad on Google search. So what I'm going simply going to do is I'm going to come here on YouTube, and vidIQ is going to show me all the tags that this channel has used. And you can also take ideas for tags for your video from this section out here. That ways you are also directing viewers from Google to your YouTube account, and this is a really easy way to sort of redirect people from one site to another. Now let's look at another free tool that we can use. So the second free tool we will be using is called keywordtool.io, and once you're on the site, what you need to do is you need to click on this YouTube icon out here. So this site allows you to see what are some of the trending keywords on sites such as Insta or Pinterest or even Google Trends, but we are going to stick to YouTube for this video. And then we'll type our favorite keyword, which is chicken salad. And then you also have the option to change your country or your language, so we'll go with United States in English, and then click on search. So once you click on search, the site is going to ask you to pay for certain information, but then it is also going to offer you some great information, which is it's going to offer you keyword suggestions and question options that you can use in your videos, as well as prepositions and hashtags that you can use on your videos to rank well on YouTube. So let's just go with keyword suggestions. So if you see, it has endless list of keyword suggestions that you could use to find trending keywords on YouTube. So let's try this one. Let's go with this one, chicken salad with rotisserie chicken. So if you search this on YouTube, right here you can see that this topic has low competition and high volume, so this is a good keyword to go for. Similarly, you can also use these hashtags on your videos, and I know as a beginner, you don't really want to spend much on YouTube, so you can definitely use this site to get a lot of great ideas for your YouTube videos. And now let's move on to the third and final way to search for trending keywords. Now, the third and final way you can search for trending keywords on YouTube is good old Google Trends. So, what we'll do is we'll head over to Google Trends, and then we are going to click on this explore option out here. And then what we are going to do is we are going to change this to the, let's say, past day. And if you want, you can make it location specific. So if you're making your video from United States, you can change it to United States, or if you're making your video from India, then you can do that. But let's just go with worldwide for this video. And then I'm going to make this food and drink. I'm going to choose the right category for myself. And here I also have the option of choosing YouTube search, so I'm going to do that, and I am going to add my search term, which is salad, because I want to make a video on salad. So you can see that people are the interest for this topic is only increasing over time. And then the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to look at all the related topics that people are searching about. So I have beet salad, rajma salad, and balsamic vinegar. So I'm going to make my videos on these topics and related queries which are present here, because people have been searching for these topics in the past day. And if you want to make it more specific, you can also make it past hour to find out what are the topics that people are looking for. So there you go, you see Korean cucumber and Hawaiian macaroni salad and a list of so many other options. So if you start making your videos on these topics which people are currently searching for, which people have been searching for in the past hour, then chances of you ranking on YouTube are so much more higher, because more and more people are searching for these topics. And if there are a limited number of videos which have been made on these topics, and your video is recent and new and it is targeting the trending topic, then chances are that YouTube is going to push your video. So these were some of the simplest and the easiest ways that you could use keyword research in a smart manner on your YouTube videos to get more views and to get views fast. So these were some of the simplest and the easiest ways that you could use multiple tools online and so many free tools online to look for keyword ideas to rank on YouTube, and also how to use YouTube itself to find a gold mine of keywords that will help you get views, keywords that people are searching for, but keywords that have limited video options. So with that, we come to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. If this video was useful, do leave a comment down below and watch out this space for more such videos.